Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with 654 by Toir. I believe we had 123 the other day, so this is the follow-up to that. So we have irregular 6x6 Sudoku rules. So that means in every row, every column, and every bold outlined region, we're placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. So these bold outlined regions work exactly the same as boxes, they're just differently shaped. We don't have the normal boxes. Instead, we have these what are called irregular regions. We also have the 6x6 version of German whisper lines. Adjacent digits on the line have to have a difference of at least 3. So if this was, say, a 2, this we couldn't go down low enough. So we'd have to go up. So we'd have to go up to 5 or to 6 in order to have a difference of at least 3. If this was a 4, even ignoring the conflict checking here, that would be a difference of 2. 3 would be a difference of 1. That's not at least 3. And then from here, say we put a 5 here, from here, this also needs a difference of at least 3. But I could go back down to 2 because Sudoku allows me to repeat these 2. If the line were straight, I couldn't go down to 2 because Sudoku would prevent it. But the line doesn't care. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, I'm going to get started by coloring. So the reason I'm going to color lows and highs. Lows being 1, 2, 3. Highs being 4, 5, 6. In this region, we need 1, 2, and 3. In this row, we need 1, 2, and 3. With these German whisper lines, by design, because of the difference of 3, when we start at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or 3, we're going to have to add 3. Because if we subtract 3, we're 0 or lower, which doesn't exist. So we have to add 3, and that brings us to the 4, 5, 6 range. And then from the 4, 5, 6 range, we can't add 3, so we're going to subtract 3, and that brings us back down to the 1, 2, 3 range. So we can represent low digits with blue. We can represent high digits with orange. And go from there. If this was if this was a 4, these would both be 1s, but that seems reasonable. Okay. If this were low, these could not be 3 different values. So this would have to be one of these 2. Oh, these are 3 different values. There we go. Because it's all in the same region. This is a 1, 2, 3 triple. And because of this 1, 2, 3 triple, this cell actually sees all of the 1, 2, 3. For example, if this was a 2, none of these could be 2, and now we wouldn't be able to put 2 in the region, right? So this can't be low. This has to be high. So we can actually color the every other here. And I am going to just pencil as well. But the coloring can help you scan. I have all 3 of 1, 2, 3 in here, so I need 4, 5, 6 here. That does follow this German whisper around. So we get the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, so now this column has all of our highs, so we need 2 more lows. Fill that. This is a low and a high for this column, so is this. So there's a low here. We need 1 more low in this column. We need 1 more low in this column. And this is the 3rd low in this region. So this has to be high because all of the lows are used up. Okay. These are also different. Does that help? Oh, we have all 3 lows here. So these both are high. That's helpful. Whoops. Oh, I did the wrong thing there. 4, 5, 6. This is low. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can we do more coloring is the question. We have a low and a high left here. I'm not sure we can do more coloring at the moment. Maybe there's a region I'm not considering. Okay, so I'm hesitant to do it, but we could subcolor. So maybe I'll use letters here. I'll corner mark some letters here. So let's call this A, this B, and this C. So in this region, we don't know what A, B, and C are, but we know there are 3 different values of 1, 2, 3. So this row has C and B, so it needs an A. We also know this row needs a B and a C. Can I spread this further? I don't know if I started in the right place. So these can't be A. A in this region. This A looks here, this A looks here, so A would go here. A in this region's up here. So these are B, C. I don't know, maybe this wasn't the way to go. We know there's a C up here somewhere. We don't know which one. And then we know, do we know what this is? We need an A. And the A is not here, the A is not here. So the A is up here somewhere. So these are BC. We can mark these as BC, and we can mark this as BC. And this is BC. And this is BC. Oh, this isn't C. There we go. Because the C is here. So this is B. This is C. This now has to be B, which makes this C. Very nice. We haven't actually gotten a digit yet, but how about this one? This one's not B, so that's C. Okay. This column needs a C. It's only going to get it from up here because this CC's here. So there's a C in one of these two as well. I'm thinking I might have to subcolor the orange as well, but let's see. This is what? This is not C. So this is A or B, and this is A or B. Ooh, wait. Yeah, because this isn't C. The C is over here, so this can't be C. So this is A or B. That's an AB pair. We can have more A's or B's here. So that actually places the A here. This is blue, and it's an A. And then this is orange, which is 4, 5, 6. And so now... Yes, now A in this region. Oh, hold on. No, this region could have A here. Yeah, this is an AB pair still. That's all we know. Okay. Does this do anything for us? This region needs an A, and this AC's here. So the A is over here. That points up. This can't be A anymore, which means this is A. That's B, that's C. So how are we doing on A's? We have 1, 2, 3. This A tells us this can't be A. So this is the blue, 1, 2, 3. This has to be orange now, 4, 5, 6. That does make this one blue, and it has to be the B, interestingly. Okay, so that's B. So these have to be orange, which does make this the C, because this is now orange as well. So these are from 4, 5, 6. That's not C. This is the 1, 2, 3 C. I think we can finish our coloring now. This is blue, 1, 2, 3. That's B. This is orange. So I managed to finish the coloring without getting any digits. Not sure if that was needed, but it was fun. All right, nice subcoloring exercise. Now I may want to subcolor the oranges as well then, so I can learn certain relationships. I wonder how to resolve this. Okay, so we'll use D, E, and F for the large digits. Okay, hold on. This sees B and C. So if this sees B and C, it can't be a 4, because 4 can only go with a double 1. So that's not 4. This is double C. So that could be 4. What else can I do here? I may have to subcolor the highs. So let's do D, E, F. I don't know where to start. Let's just go, let's just go across here. D, E, F. Does that help me? Now I can't actually, this is where coloring comes in handy over letters, because I can't put letters over the 4, 5, 6. I'm not sure I can spread this D, E, F here. So let's actually do D, E, F like this. D, E, F across this region. This is also F. So this, we need a D in this column. It can't go there. So that's D, that's E. So this is double E. Suspicious. This can't be D or F, so that's E. So this sees E and F, which are different, which means this can't be 3, because 3 can only go with double 6. Slowly whittling things down. Let's see. This needs to be E as well. Okay, so this is extremely helpful. This E is marked 5, 6. This E is marked 4, 6. That means E has to be 6. So we can replace all our 6s, all of our E's with 6s. That gives us the 5, the 4. I think we don't need letters here anymore. I think this is all going to just finish. There we go. So I finished my oranges. And now there's going to be a 4. Yeah, C is 1. So I can just highlight all my C's and put 1. Which does mean B is not 1, so B is 2. I think I missed a C. And A is 3. Hopefully that's the right answer. It is. All right. So I'm not sure if this was supposed to be a subcoloring exercise, but I don't mind demonstrating this way to solve the puzzle. I enjoyed being able to color everything before I did any digits. But it seemed like the key was understanding when certain digits had to be different from each other, which did eliminate, and when certain digits had to be the same, like figuring out that these two had to be the same. Actually, we can figure out that these two are the same just from simple geometry. Was it these two? Yeah, and these two were marked differently, but these were only marked differently after I figured out that these two were different. So subcoloring definitely helped smooth that out, but it also took a bit of time. So let me know if you approached this differently. You probably did. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.